In today's class, we will be discussing product of two consecutive natural numbers and some of its application. Let's start with product of two consecutive natural numbers. From 1 into 2 is 2, 2 into 3 is equal to 6, 3 into 4 is equal to 12, 4 into 5 is equal to 20, 5 into 6 is equal to 30, 6 into 7 is equal to 42, 7 into 8 is equal to 56, 8 into 9 is equal to 72, 9 into 10 is equal to 90, 10 into 11 is equal to 110, 11 into 12 is equal to 132, and so on. For the time being, we'll learn only this much, okay? After knowing this, let's work with square root. Okay? We start with square root of 225. Let's say square root of 625. First, let's work with unit digit 5, okay? Square root of 3025, square root of 5625, square root of 9025. In the square root, when we have 2 here, we don't usually write any number. Okay, that's square root. Square root means take 2 digits out from the right to the most. When we work with cube root, we have to focus on 3 digits. Now in the square root, focus on 2 digits. Pair by pair. We'll be working on pair by pair. Now take out one pair from the right, we have 2. 2 is product of 1 and 2, that is equal to 2. 1 and 2 are product of two consecutive natural numbers. Select the smaller number. Here it is 1. If it ends with 5, unit digit is 5. Unit digit is 5. Take out 2 pair from the right. 6. We have 6. The remaining number is 6. 6 is product of 2 and 3. Select the smaller number. Small number is 2. 2, 5. Unit digit is 5. 30 is product of two consecutive natural numbers. They are 5 and 6. Product of 5 and 6 is equal to 30. Select the smaller number, 5. 2, 5, unit digit is 5. Focus on the number 56. 56 is product of 7 and 8. Small number is 7. 90 is product of 9 and 10. Smaller number is 9. 9, 5. Okay. Now, I'll let you see the answer, okay? I'll give you some more values. 2225. 4225. Then 11025. Okay. Now, I wanted to give you the value of this. What is the value of square root of 2025? 20 is product of 4 and 5. Smaller number is 4. 4, 5. Square root of 4225. 42 is product of 6 and 7. Smaller number is 6. 6, 5. Square root of 11,025 is 110 is product of 10 and 11. The smaller number is 10. 5. So simple. Now, let's work with square root of a numbers whose unit digit is a number other than 5. Okay? Okay, let's move to the next step. Before we find these values, let's first move back to square of number. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 2 to 4, 3 square is 3 to 9, 4 square is 16, 5 square is 25, 6 square is 36, 7 square is 49, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81, 10 square is 100. Okay. Square root. From the right, take out one pair. Now we are having 28. After taking out one pair from the right, 28. 28 lies here. 28 lies between 5 square and 6 square. It lies here. Select a smaller number, 5. Now multiply 5 with the next consecutive number. 5, 6 are 30. Compare this with this. 28 is smaller. Unit is 9, smaller number. Here we have 2 units is 9. That is 3 square and 7 square. Since this is smaller than 30, select a smaller number. Smaller number here is 3. Take out 2 digits. 3 lies between 1 square and 2 square. It lies here. Select a smaller number, 1. Now multiply 1 with next consecutive natural number. 1 to 2 is 2. Compare this number with this number, 3. This is bigger. Therefore, you have to select bigger number. Here we have unit digit 1, 2 numbers. That is 1 square and 9 square. Bigger number is 9. Square root of 361 is 9. Here I'll put this number. We have 2. 2 lies between 1 square and 4. Smaller number is 1. Now multiply this with the next consecutive natural number. Next consecutive natural number is 1 to 2. 1 to 2 is 2. When we compare these two, we have same value. When we have same value, what we have to do is compare this with 25. Okay? Here, 56 is bigger than 25. 6. We have to select the bigger number. Unit is 6. We have 4 square and 6 square. Bigger number here is 6. That's the answer. Take out the number here. We have 32. 32 lies between 5 square and 6 square. Select a smaller number. Small number is 5. Multiply 5 with the next consecutive natural number. 5, 6 are 30. Now compare this 30 with 32. This is bigger than this number. Therefore, select the bigger number whose unit digit is 9. Here we have 2 values whose unit digit is 9. That is 3 square and 7 square. The bigger number is 7. That's how to find square root. What is the square root of 364? That is 33 lies between these two. 5 square and 6 square. 5, select 5. Now multiply 5 with next consecutive natural number. 5, 6 are 30. This is bigger than the number whose unit digit is 4. We have 2 numbers. That is 2 square and 8 square. Bigger number is 8. 8. Square root of 3,364 is 58. This one, 34. 34 lies here. Again 5. 5, 6 are 30. Bigger. Unit digit 1. Bigger number is 9. 9 square. This value 7. 7 lies between 2 square and 3 square. Select a smaller number. That is 2. Multiply 2 with the next number. 2, 3 are 6. Compare this number with this 7. This is bigger. Now select the bigger number. Whose unit digit is 9. That is 3 square and 7 square. The bigger number is 7. 7. 96. 96 lies between 9 square and 10 square. Small number is 9. Multiply 9 with next consecutive natural number. 9, 10 or 90. Compare this with this 96. This is bigger. Therefore, select the bigger number whose unit digit is 4. 4. We have 2 numbers. That is 2 square and 8 square. Bigger number is 8. I hope you understand how to find square root. It's easy if we know order of 2 consecutive natural numbers. It boosts the speed of our calculation. We can easily get the answer once you master this technique. Just by looking at the number, you can directly give the answer. For that, we need to practice. Keep on practice. After you practice a lot, you'll be able to give the answer directly. Okay? One practice. What is the value of root 30 plus root 30 plus root 30 plus is infinity? Okay, 30 is product of two consecutive natural numbers. That is 5 and 6. The answer can be 5 or 6. Now, to select the answer, we have to check the sign in between. The sign in between here is plus. If we have plus in between, select the bigger number. If we have minus in between, select the smaller number. Here we have plus, therefore the bigger number is 6. That's how to get the answer. What is the answer of this question? 72 is product of two consecutive natural numbers. What are those numbers? Product of 8 and 9. In between we have plus, therefore the bigger number is the answer. Right. 6 minus root over 6 minus root over 6 minus infinity is equal to 5. What is the answer of this question? Anyone tell me? 6 is product of two consecutive natural numbers. That is 2 and 3. Select the sign in between. That is minus. Therefore, the smaller one is the answer. What is the smaller number? 2 is the smaller number. 2 and 3. Among 2 and 3, the small number is 2. Right answer is 1. I hope you understand this. Okay, let's proceed to another type of questions. Among the right hand side, select any number. Let's say 12. Now we'll work on the reciprocal. 1 by 12. This is equal to, I can write 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. 12 is product of 3 and 4. Take LCM, we get the same. Okay. What would be 1 by 2? Difference between 1 and 1 by 1 is 1. 1 and half. That is half. 1 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Bigger number minus smaller number. 3 is bigger than 2, but when it comes to the reciprocal, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, reciprocal, bigger number reciprocal, smaller than smaller number reciprocal. Okay? We have to know this. What is 1 by 30? This can be written as 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6. Now, if we know this, we can solve the next question. I'll give you the next question. Next question. 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 42 plus 1 by 56. the right answer. 6. 1 by 6 can be written as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 12 can be written as 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 20 can be written as 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 plus 1 by 30 can be written as 1 by 5 minus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 42 can be written as 1 by 6 minus 1 by 7 plus 1 by 56 can be written as 1 by 7 minus 1 by 8. See, we can cancel this 2, we can cancel this, we can cancel this 2, cancel this, cancel this. This is equal to half minus 1 by 8. First term minus last term. LCM 8. 2, 4 are 8 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3 by 8. That's the right answer. The value of, let's say, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30 plus 1 by 42 plus 1 by 56 plus 1 by 72 plus 1 by 90 plus 1 by 110 plus 1 by 132. The value of this is some 1, some 2, some 3, some 4. 5 by 12, 11 by 12, 13 by 12, 12 by 13. Okay, can one give me the answer? Now, I want you to write only the first term and last term. First term is 1 by 1, that is 1. Minus last term will be 1, 3, 2. 1 by 1, 3, 2. Last term will be 1 by 12, right? The answer is 12 minus 1, 11 by 12. That's the right answer. All the other terms, all the terms in between, you can select harder. Now let's solve this question. First, what from this value? Square root of 10,000. Write down half zero. Half zero is 2 zeros. Square root of 10,000 is 100. Now add this with 44. 44. 144. Square root of 144 is again 12. 1, 2. Add this with 4. 4 plus 2, 6, 16. Again, square root of 16 is 4. Right. Now let's work with this question. 49 is 7 square. 7 is 49. 7 plus 29. 7 plus 29. That is 36. 36 is 6 square. 6 plus 19. 6 plus 19. That is 25. 25 is 5 square. 5 plus 11. 16. 16 is 4 square. 5 plus 4. 9. 9 root 9 is 3. 3 square is 9. Right answer is 2. Can anyone tell me the answer? Really? What square is 65? 35 by 11 into 14 by 5 into 11 by, what square is 196? 196, 14, right? Okay. 14, 14 cancel, 11, 11 cancel, 5, 5, 25. The answer is 2. The number of digits in the square root of 6256867344489 is if it is cube cube root, count 3 number as 1. If it is square root, count 2 number as 1. How many pairs we have? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The answer is 6. Number of digits in the square root of 6256, 8673, 4489 is 6 because we have 6 pairs. If it is cube root, you have to count 3 number is 1. Okay? In case if we have one more number here, let's say 1, count this as 1 pair. Okay? Here the answer will be 7. We are asking find the relationship between x and 1. Okay? There are 3 ways to make the conclusion. Number 1 is on a real number line, if we have what the value of x is less than what the value of y, conclusion should be x is strictly less than y. Or interchange it, y is strictly greater than 1. These two meanings are same. Second one, this is strictly less than this value of y, and if one of the values are equal, then we can make the conclusion like this: x less than or equal to y, or interchange these two. This is the same as y greater than or equal to x. The third conclusion is on the real number line, we cannot have the value of y between the value of x, or we cannot have value of x in between the value of y. When we come across such relationship, conclusions should be no relation can be established. This will be the conclusion. Now let's work with the first problem. Again, 210 is product of 2 consecutive natural numbers. What are those numbers? 210 is product of 14 and 15. Okay. Here, minus 1. We want minus 1. Minus 15, 14. That is minus 1. When you take the value of x, use the same number, opposite in sign. Minus 14, 15. These two are the values of x. Let's move to the next equation. This is again product of 2 consecutive natural numbers. What are those numbers? 15 and 16. Minus third one is minus 15 and minus 16. Therefore, the value of y must be same number, opposite in sign. That is 15 and 16. Okay, let's make a conclusion. What will be the answer? This is strictly less than 16, and we have one equal values. Therefore, x is less than or equal to y. This is the right conclusion. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is, when we take out square on the left, we'll be having plus minus square root of the right hand side. That is 2 to 5. Again, plus minus square root of 2 to 5 is 2 is product of two consecutive natural numbers. That is 1 and 2. Select the smaller number 1. If it ends with 2 5, give it z as 5. What is this? Y is equal to minus 15. Here we have two values of x, that is minus 15 and 15. And we have only one value of y. What will be the conclusion? Conclusion will be this is greater than this,